in this video, we will see construction and working of simple screw jack with its velocity ratio formula. Here we have a diagram. Simple screw jack is a simple machine which consists of a member called as screw. This is the heart of the screw jack, the most important member. This screw is supported inside a nut. Here at the other end of the screw we are having this top portion. This is called as the head. Then we have this handle of the screw jack, which is called as lever arm or handle. This screw thread which we have here, small p indicates the pitch of screw. Pitch means it is the linear distance we travel if we take one point on the thread, and if we take on the next thread the same point, the distance between them would be called as pitch. So here I have small p as the pitch of screw thread. Now how this machine functions? First of all, the load would be kept on the head. See, screw jack is basically used for lifting of cars. So this load would be the weight of the car which comes onto the screw jack, and we want to lift that car. So for that purpose, effort would be applied at this handle. Here we would be gripping this handle and we will rotate it. So once the handle gets rotated, this screw will turn, and in turn this screw, when it rotates, it will also move up, and by moving up it would be lifting the load. Similarly, if we want to bring the load down, then we would be rotating this handle into the opposite direction, and the screw thread, when it rotates, now it will come down, and when the screw thread it moves down, the load also comes down. So this is the functioning of screw jack. Now here I have written the velocity ratio formula. Velocity ratio of screw jack is given by 2 pi L upon P, where L is the length of handle of the screw jack. Small p, it is the pitch of screw. It is not the effort. Small p is the pitch of screw thread. So if we know the length of handle, if we know the pitch of screw thread, we can easily calculate the velocity ratio for screw jack. And hence we have seen, by applying very small effort, that is with the help of hand, we are lifting the car. So you can just compare the effort which we apply with the help of hand. This would be somewhere around 300 to 400 Newton. And the weight of the car, it can be anything. It can be in the form of tons. So we, by applying small effort in the form of Newton, we are lifting a car whose weight would be in terms of thousands of kg. So here was the explanation of simple screw jack.